explorer. Holidays are for hugs. Dora and her friends were getting ready for Christmas. Ho, ho, ho! I'm Dora Claus, said Dora. Dora Claus had Christmas presents for all her friends and even a special gift for Santa in the North Pole. Ho, ho, ho! Vámonos, said Dora. The very first gift she had in her bag was a new set of bongo drums for Boots. Thank you, Dora Claus, Boots said with a smile. I can't wait to play them. Let's hear it. Ho, ho, ho! Vámonos, said Dora. Help Dora clap along to Boots's bongos. Next, Dora visited Isa's garden with a special present, a homemade decoration for Isa's Christmas tree. Isa had a present for Dora too, a poinsettia plant for her garden. I have another poinsettia for Santa Claus, said Isa. We have a present for him too. Let's take them to him. Ho, ho, ho! Vámonos, said Dora, and away they went. Help Dora hang the decoration on the tree. The next stop was Tico's nutty forest. Dora gave Tico a toy car for Christmas. Tico had a gift for Dora too, fresh chestnuts from his forest. Feliz Navidad, said Tico. Gracias, Tico. We can share the chestnuts with Santa too. Vamos, Tico. Ho, ho, ho. Vámonos, said Dora. Help Dora try some nuts. Finally, Dora and her friends arrived at the North Pole. Dora gave Santa the present she brought, a gingerbread cookie she made with Mommy. Boots played a Christmas tune on the bongos. Tico fed the reindeer fresh nuts, and Isa gave Santa her poinsettia.
Ho, ho, ho! Thank you, Dora Claus,
said Santa as he gave her a big ho-ho hug. Help Dora give Santa a big Christmas hug. Happy holidays! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.